Trey, I just wanted to go over your work and then let you make corrections. You're just making a one simple mistake. So you are correct with this that you are using tangent. But this, the 25, is your opposite. And then BC, which you're calling X, is your adjacent. So see how you have X over 25? It should be 25 over X. Then you cross multiply, and it's going to be X times the tangent of 62 equals 25. And then you can divide by the tangent of 62 on both sides. Okay? So go ahead and redo that problem. And then I think you made that same mistake on this one. Again, yes, the 19's down here, but look here, you had X over 120. Remember, this is opposite and this is adjacent. So go ahead and do those over again. Look over your whole quiz again. Make sure you're not making that same mistake. These are the two that popped out to me. Thank you.